What's going on, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I'll be showing you this Fasco heat cycler ceiling fan. This is one of many fans that we had picked up over the PA meet over the weekend. This fan's showing its age. It's got some scratches on it, and you know, it runs, and it's a pretty cool fan. Always did love these. I don't have it hooked up to a variable speed control at the moment, but I'll show you how it runs on high. It's a little noisy, but blows a shit ton of air. Pretty cool fan. Do a little spin down on it before I cut the video off.
School. My elementary school. There's one more down
Alrighty folks, well I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, more to come later.